So I'm going to talk about the May song from Suzuki Book 1, and I'm going to talk about the rhythm. This is the first time we have had a dotted rhythm, I believe, in the Suzuki book. So it goes like this, the first bar. The best way to learn that rhythm, if you're having any difficulty with it, would be to use words. So let's clap it first, and then we'll add the words. So the words are going to be pineapple popcorn, okay? And then the rhythm clapping is la, 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 la. Now put the rhythm, the words together with the rhythm, and we get pineapple popcorn. And the first note, so it's a long note, then a short note. So the first note gets pineapple, and then the pull from pineapple is the shorter note. So the first clap gets the pineapple, and the second note gets the pull. So pineapple popcorn. Try that again. Pineapple popcorn. Do it once more with me. Pineapple popcorn. So now I'll play it again and say it while I play it. Pineapple popcorn. Again. Pineapple